Are you getting the VAN9003? This build of Vanguard is out of compliance error on Windows 11 when launching Valorant? Don't worry. This happens to a lot of players, and today I'll walk you through 2 quick fixes that solve this error almost every time. Let's get straight into it. First, we're going to adjust a small compatibility setting inside your Riot installation. Search Valorant on your PC, right-click it, and select Open File Location. From there, right-click the Valorant shortcut again and choose Open File Location one more time. Inside the folder, look for Riot Client Services. Right-click it, go to Properties, then open the Compatibility tab. Scroll down, enable Run this program in compatibility mode and set it to Windows 8. Click Apply and OK. This alone fixes the issue for many people. If you're still seeing VAN9003, then the problem is coming from your BIOS settings, specifically Secure Boot. Restart your PC and press the key your motherboard uses to open BIOS, usually F12, F2, or DEL depending on your system. Once you're in the BIOS menu, navigate to the Boot or Security section and find Secure Boot. Select it, switch it to Enabled Assaults, then save and exit. Your PC will restart with the new settings applied. Now, open Valorant again. The VAN9003 error should be gone. If it still appears, the issue might be hardware specific, so feel free to ask for help in the comments. If this helped you out, drop a like and stick around for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.